Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out planting hardy perennials today, and they're wonderful because you dig a hole and plant them in your garden for years and years to come. We're planting a lovely Trollius or globe flower. Now globe flowers grow like that there. They flower for months and the flower sits upwards like a little globe. Now the variety of globe flower we're planting today is this one here. It's a variety called Golden Queen, a reliable one that's with yellow to orange flowers for months every year. Height, decent metre and a bit high, good clump, dies down for winter but comes back year after year after year. We've dug out a decent sized planting hole for it. You see a decent sized planting hole there, and we're putting at the bottom some super tried planting fertilizer. So put a handful of super tried planting fertilizer going down there at the bottom. Get it off to a good start in life. It will reduce transplant shock and be slowly released for the lovely globe flower. We're going to mix in a little bit of swell well compost. That's all out of the way. A little bit of swell well compost mixed with the soil for back in around the plant again. A little bit there at the bottom as well. That's our super tribe gone in there, and some swell well compost mixed in with the soil as well. And out comes the globe flower out of his pot. Roots are a little bit tight. We just give them a little teasing out, and we'll plant it level the same depth as the surrounding soil. So a little bit of compost and soil for back in around again. And this plant, the wonderful thing when this job is done, it'll be here for years and years to come, giving us months of flowers like that facing upwards. Will grow roughly around 90 centimeters high and about the same across. So in there for years and years to come. So that's a globe flower called Golden Queen. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.